Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the essentials: microphone, speakers, and a signed-in Chatgpt session with voice features enabled. Once done, pick a voice and language so responses sound correct. This affects tone and pacing. Then grant microphone permission when the browser prompts you, because without it, Chatgpt cannot capture your input. Start with a short phrase to verify levels and make sure background noise is low. This early check prevents misrecognition and saves time during the recording process. You now move into active use. Speak clearly, using short sentences and intentional pauses so the system detects punctuation and cadence. If the voice sounds fast or slow, adjust the speech rate controls. This changes listener comprehension. Once the model replies, listen and ask for refinements, for example, faster pace, warmer tone, or alternate phrasing. Make incremental changes rather than large ones. Small tweaks reveal what each control does. Repeat until the output matches your intent, because iterative feedback yields. You complete the process by exporting or recording the final audio. Use the built-in export if available, or a system recorder for higher control. Once saved, keep alternate takes with clear file names so you can compare and pick the best one. If audio glitches or permissions fail, first reload the page and check microphone permissions, then retry. If mispronunciations persist, rephrase prompts with phonetic hints or ask the model to spell words. That troubleshooting step fixes most issues quickly and gets you back on track.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.